Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to delete an existing point description. If you're anything like me, you obviously make mistakes every once in a while, and sometimes you just need to delete one of those descriptions that is cluttering up your screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the bottom here where it says no description and open up my AutoMap library. And you can see I have a whole host of different point descriptions, and some have summaries and some have point icons associated with them. But there are a couple of these that I really don't need and are kind of just cluttering up my screen. For instance, this drainage one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select it, and if I want to delete it, what I'm going to do is make sure it's highlighted and then select delete. When I do that, I'm going to get prompted that I want to be sure that I want to delete this AutoMap library description from my data collector. If you hit yes, this is not an action you can undo. It will be gone forever and you will have to manually recreate your description. I want to get rid of my description, so what I'm going to do is click yes, and I can close this menu to return to my main survey screen. And that is everything in today's video. That is how you delete a point description from MicroSurvey's FieldGenius AutoMap library. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.